Hey everybody, it's Nicole with Pampered Chef. I hope y'all were having a good day. So I thought I'd come on real quick and show you my lunch today. I haven't made lunch yet. I ate a late breakfast, I should say. So I'm actually going to do a protein shake for lunch. I shared with this to you all the other day, but had a couple of people ask. It's super easy, okay? First and foremost, this is why I wanted to come live, okay? Not even about my shake, but about these strawberries. Look at those strawberries, y'all, a week in the refrigerator, a week, okay? Look at these, still absolutely beautiful, okay? So I get asked all the time, how in the world do you get your fruit to last that long, okay? I always tell you, I share my tips with you, and a lot of people has asked. These strawberries actually came from Rudd's Farm in Greensboro, and I'm getting ready to go check out my friend, Taylor Apple, who lives right down the street from me. She's open on Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure y'all check out her local farm as well. She has strawberries and plants, and I think she is going to have like fruits and vegetables, but obviously they have to come in through season. So I'll make sure and tag her little farm right down the street from me. So I'm excited to go get some of her strawberries. She was out of town and closed when I come back from vacation, so I got Rudd's this time as well. But I put half of those in the freezer, and I think I had told y'all just a post last week about it, and of how I froze probably more than half, because it's just me that eats these. Brad, he doesn't like these. He likes strawberry flavored stuff, but he doesn't like eating strawberries, okay? And and I love them obviously during season, but I only kept a few out knowing that I would probably eat them personally, with a little bit of sugar obviously, and then put them in my shakes. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing vanilla, just a vanilla protein shake. This is Trubani, and y'all probably seen me tag about this. Very clean. So if you are trying to eat clean, there's only 5 ingredients in vanilla, and it's organic pea protein, organic vanilla powder, organic pumpkin seeds, organic monk fruit extract. So if I was doing Whole30 strict like I was when I started back in January, we're off plan but still following, if that makes sense. We've added a couple of things back in. That is obviously a sugar, and then chia seed, okay? So that's the only 5 ingredients that's in here. Now it does say that you can mix this with water if you want to, or an alternative milk. So of course I can't have dairy products, so I'm actually just using a almond milk, and it's simply, and y'all, I'm not exaggerating, I've gone to Sprouts and all these other places. Nobody has clean almond milk but this brand, okay? There is nothing in here but almonds and water and sea salt, okay? All the other brands have all kinds of other I should say products in there that I can't have. So needless to say, this is the brand that I have found that works best, okay? I have found it at, let's see, Target and Harris Teeter has been my 2 places I've been able to find that. I've been going to Sprouts and love Sprouts, but they don't have it, okay? They have like every other brand. So what I'm gonna do, this is our shaker cup, smoothie cup, I should say, from Pampered Chef. I am using our blender. So those of y'all that have the blender and maybe you don't have the new adapter, love this, okay? The adapter is just this piece right here. It comes with your cup. It comes with the blender part, and then it also comes with a couple of other products too when you get this, when you actually get the blender adapter set, because you do have to have this piece in order to work this piece, okay? Now these are extra too, so if you're one of those and you and your family do drink a lot of smoothies or protein shakes or that kind of thing, you can actually buy multiple cups by itself, okay? So it actually calls for 8 ounces. I personally know, and just an FYI, there's not a measurement line right here, but just an FYI, from here to this piece right here is exactly 8 inches. I mean, excuse me, 8 ounces, okay? So I'm just gonna fill that up, and that's actually all my milk, so y'all can see that. And then I'm gonna do 1 scoop of protein powder. And by the way, this has 20 grams, I think, I'm telling you, right? Yep, 20 grams of protein. So we're gonna do that. And y'all, this shake is so good. I'm not personally a vanilla girl by itself. I got typically to add something to it. But the fresh strawberries and putting banana in there, y'all, so good, okay? And then I'm gonna put my strawberries. Let me get a little knife. I'm just gonna cut them in half a little bit. Use our paring knife. This is the bigger paring knife, okay? And I'm just gonna take the ends off of these. And don't forget that I did wash those strawberries when they come in, y'all, because y'all know there's such a big basket of those. I do wash those in the sink. I let them soak in vinegar and water. And you wanna do 1 cup, and it really depends on how many strawberries you're personally doing, okay? So I've had a couple of people ask me, like, Well, how much is your ratio? Well, it really depends on how much you're actually cleaning, I should say. I had that entire big quart that they sell. So I've got, I mean, I just put in there 2 or 3. Oh, let's do one more. That'd be all right. And then we're gonna do some banana. And then we're gonna put in my favorite ice. I don't know if y'all seen my post, but Homegirl has a new ice machine that does pellet ice, nugget ice, sonic ice, whatever y'all wanna call it. I've already got my money's worth. I'm just telling you, it's the bomb. I got it from Amazon. We had a bunch of Amazon gift cards from Brad's work, and he's like, girl, get that ice maker. So Homegirl got my ice maker. And it don't have to run off, like you don't have to put it up to your refrigerator. It can be separate. It's just a water reservoir on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna put that down in there. Then we'll put this ice in here. And I'm not gonna put it all in there. I'm gonna grate it a little bit some. Now, we are gonna hit the smoothie option on here, okay, because that's obviously what this is. So we'll put this in here. Now back to the strawberries. I had that entire thing. I put 1 cup of vinegar to probably 11 cups of water. And that's because that filled my sink up at that one little side of my sink. And then if you're doing just a small container from the grocery store, I would probably do like 1/4 of a cup to probably 2 or 3 cups of water. Okay, so it really just depends on how many strawberries you're gonna have, okay? And any of that, but you don't wanna soak them longer than 5 minutes, y'all, because what that does is takes all the bacteria and all that good stuff off there. But if you soak them too long, first and foremost, the problem is they're gonna get saturated. It's kind of like mushrooms. You don't want mushrooms, first of all, you don't wanna wash it all because they're like a sponge. So kind of the same deal here. And the key is to put a dry paper towel. These are our stainless steel bowls, okay? This is the small one. You wanna put that dry paper towel, and I actually have 1 full paper towel, and I just have it folded over, and you're just gonna put that right over top of your fruit or vegetables, and then you're gonna take this lid, and you're gonna put the lid right back down on there, okay? Y'all can see that that completely seals, okay, that bowl, so there's no air getting in there, okay? So you're gonna put this down. This is gonna be a little loud, so I'm sorry. We're gonna go to smoothie option. This is actually preset for 1 minute, so you just wanna hit that. Sorry, it's gonna be loud, but I just kinda wanted to show y'all really quick. And what it's doing is going through cycles, okay? You'll hear it slowing down a little bit and then it'll speed up. All right, so we're at 40 seconds. Everything y'all can see is completely chopped up, okay? That's the thing about our blender. It's gonna be more of a puree. It's not gonna be anything chunky. So y'all can see it's super runny. So I'm actually gonna go grab some more ice really quick and put some more ice in there. I have the ice maker in my pantry, so it's out of the way. All right, so I'll put a little bit more ice in there and put it back on. And then I'm gonna finish up. And I will tell you, you cannot use a regular straw in here because this cup is super tall, okay? So I actually found these straws at Target, and I forget where else I just went and they had them. These are like a very, very hard plastic, so they're reusable and they can be put in the dishwasher, okay? And they got all different kinds of colors. I think I got a couple already in the dishwasher, okay? I love these. I don't like paper and I don't like rubber, okay? And even our metal ones that we sell through Pampered Chef is still not tall. It's not as tall as I need this. So just an FYI, Target does sell these, and I think I've seen them maybe at the grocery store or somewhere else over the weekend that sells those. So just a quick tip for you. So thanks for joining me during lunch today, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.